In the previous video, we made some modifications to our animation so that now the head is, is moving around and it looks like he's actually talking, or there's some different expressions going on in our animation, um, in our animated character's face. So in this clip, what we're going to do is we're going to work with the timing and also the direction in which our clips work. So we still need to fill this out to 30 seconds. So let's go ahead and make a copy of this compound clip that we have here. I'm going to again use my Command C, or I can go to Edit and Copy. And I want to make this line, the timeline here, be right at the end of this clip. And then I'm going to paste. So I can again do Command V like Valentine, or I can go to Edit and Paste. I'm only going to do that one time right now. So here's what I want to do. Instead of this thing going from one side of the screen and then jumping back to the beginning again, I want to make sure that this sort of has a seamless movement from left to right and then from right to left. So if I select the second clip that I copied here, I'm going to go over here to this icon and I'm going to go to where it says reverse clip. What just occurred is now when I play this, it's going to go from left to right, but then when it gets to the end of this clip, it's going to actually make its way back from right to left seamlessly. So you see how it starts to go from right to left seamlessly. It goes left to right and then it goes right to left again. Now, one more thing I'd like to do though is also speed it up. So let me go ahead and select that same clip again, and I can go back to that same icon and I can go to where it says fast. Now I can make that twice as fast or 4 times as fast if I want to. You'll notice that the clip gets much smaller because it's going to be on a timeline much for a shorter period of time, and it's going to make that move much faster. All right, so now that I have that going on, I'm going to go ahead and select both of these clips. I'm going to copy them, and with the timeline right next to the second one, at the end of the second one, I'm going to go ahead and paste them on here so that I can fill out this 30-second mark. And then it went beyond that a little bit, so I'm going to go ahead and just bring it back to that 30-second mark. And now when I play this from the beginning, I've got this guy moving across the screen. It's kind of slow at first, and then he's going to move much faster when it gets to this other clip right here. Comes back, and then he goes a little bit slower across the screen again. When he gets to this clip, he's going to move much faster again. All right, now all I have to do is add some music. So let's look over here into this little icon that looks like a little music note. I'm going to select this Sideman strut right here. And this ought to do the job. Let's see what that sounds like. Yep, that'll work.